Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Isomac Milano espresso machine. Now for this machine, we recently worked on it, but unfortunately it came back, and that was because the water pump was not producing a good flow coming out from the E61 group head. Basically you will see a bunch of steam coming out of there, and then you will not see no water or just a little tiny stream of water just going out of the group head itself. Now we have to replace the water pump of the machine. This one that you see right here is from 2008, and we also had to replace the air valve of the machine, as when we put the newer water pump, water was flowing into the other side, and while it was flowing into the group head and it made it better, it was still not a good steady stream like you see right now. As you can see, definitely pouring the way it's supposed to, and also the boiler is filling up much faster than it was as well. We also had to adjust the temperature of the machine, as it was slightly below 1 whenever it was depressurizing by itself, and right now it's pressurized around 1.3 bars, and then it does not go below the 1 bar. Right now the machine is on the heating phase, and as you can see it's going now down a bit, and before it gets to 1 it's going to heat up again and it will get to 1.2. There you go, now it's heating. .2 bars, perfect. And then it will naturally go down all the way to 1, and then it will heat up once again. So we just had to do a slight adjustment on that, and yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. So let's pull a shot of espresso in just one bit, and just to show again, the machine is losing pressure naturally, then it goes back to 1, heats up again, that light goes on, it goes all the way to 1.2, and then it stops. So let's do one shot of espresso. Okay, so now we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine. Hopefully I pick out the right grind savings, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And as you can see, we got a nice steady stream coming out of the portafilter. Even though we're using our test coffee, we're going to get a bit of crema, and we can see that beautiful shot of espresso coming out. Gonna stop it right there. That's basically the quantity, around 2 ounces. And like I say, even though we're using our test coffee, we got a nice shot of espresso coming out from this beautiful machine. Again, steady stream coming out of the group head itself. Nice steady stream, working excellent, pressurizing properly, and heating up correctly as well. Does not go below 1 bar of pressure inside the boiler, and of course steam working perfectly fine. Like I was saying, pressure coming out from the steamer one, working nice, working the way it's supposed to. Excellent steam. Working great. And hot water as well, with a nice flow coming out from the hot water one, and boiler filling as well. Boiler now filled completely, and then the machine will start heating back up. As you see, it's losing pressure because cold water is going into the tank. That really That lowers the pressure inside the boiler, but the heating element heats it back up all the way until it gets to 1.2, and then it goes an idle. You can see the light over here indicating that the heating element is heating up, and as you can see, the gauge is going all the way up. And it stops at 1.2. So there you have it. Isomac Milano working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.